Hi, my name is Casey. I'm a yoga therapist, and today we're going to talk about opening up our perspective so we can make changes. We get very stuck in our ways sometimes, especially when we're afraid. We don't want to deviate from the path that we know so well. Even if it's not the best path, it's familiar, so it's easy. So our neural pathways are used to firing and wiring down that same path. So to deviate from that, they're like, nope, that takes too much energy. It's unknown. We don't want to do that. We're just going to play it safe and stay here. But sometimes when we play it safe and stay in our perspective all the time, we forget to see all the other perspectives and things that could possibly be better or happening around us. And when you're stuck in your perspective and this person's stuck in their perspective and I'm stuck in my perspective, when it comes time to work together and hear other people's perspectives, we're not listening at all because we are so zoned into our way. And when it comes to the community and we're in maybe a global pandemic and some issues that need to be resolved if we all work together, it makes it even harder to hear other people's opinions and decide which could be the most beneficial way to move forward from here. So here's a little practice so that we can open up our perspectives, open up our ears, and maybe see some other ways of doing things so we don't get stuck in our ways. So what we're going to do is literally turn our heads and use our eyes and look in all the different perspectives. You're going to start by turning your head to the right. And when you turn your head to the right, you're going to inhale through your nose. And on the exhale, you're going to come back to center and say, ah. And then we're going to inhale and look to the left. And we're going to say, oh. And then we're going to inhale looking straight up. And coming back to center, we say, e. And then we look down on the inhale and look up on a mm. So we're going to do that 3 times. Remember, it's ah, o, e, and mm. Let's give it a try. So you can either sit or stand, whatever is more comfortable for you. And inhaling through the nose, looking to the right. Ah. Oh. E. And again. Ah. Oh. E. Last time. Ah. Oh. E. And now let's finish with 3 ohms. Bringing your hands to your heart center. Oh. Now close your eyes and place your hands on your lap, palms up. And see if you feel a little more open in your vocal cords, in your mind, in your body. See if you can hear any noises happening around you. I hear a helicopter again. I hear the breeze from outside. And I hear the fan in my computer running because it's probably getting hot. And open your eyes back up. So this is a really great practice to do before you have to go into a meeting, or maybe before you're having a conversation with somebody. It might not be the easiest conversation to have. This way you are a little calmer and you're able to listen to what someone else has to say, and then you can equally share your opinion and hopefully come up with a plan or a resolution to whatever is going on.